Hi everyone, namaste. I hope you all are doing well. An early morning walk will make us active the whole day. Coming back home, my husband will take our three little ones out for their morning walk. Once they come back from their morning walk, it's time to prepare the breakfast. Normally, a breakfast consists of dosa, idli, upma, poha, oats. Here today I am preparing dosa, which I'll be serving with dry red chutney powder and sambar. We'll serve the breakfast along with some orange juice. After having breakfast, we'll go back to the kitchen. We'll spend 10 to 15 minutes. Here today I'm cleaning the steel containers and the canisters. As they are just above the gas stove, they tend to get greasy and sticky very soon. I'm wiping the containers with wet microfiber cloth. If there are any oil or spice spills on the surface, we'll wipe them out with the cloth. Have placed some extra pasta rice behind the steel containers. We'll give a good wipe to the glass canisters as they are just beside the gas stove and they too get greasy very soon. Here I'm sharing a skincare tip which I've seen my mom doing for years and now I do it for my family. Collect a good amount of orange peels, cut them into small pieces, place them in a pan, fill the pan with water till the top, bring it to a boil, and once the water reduces to half, off the flame, allow it to cool completely. Strain the water and fill it in a spray bottle. Keep it in the fridge. You can keep it for 10 to 15 days. It's a homemade skin cleanser which can be used every day. You can use it in the mornings. Just spray a good amount on the face, keep it for 5 to 10 minutes and wipe it out with a cotton. You can also use face cleanser when you're doing a facial at home. And once the beauty routine is done, we'll go back to the kitchen. We'll place a load of dishes in the dishwasher. Place it for the lowest cycle 35 minutes. While coming back from walk, had got some cardamom and roasted peanuts. Easiest way to prepare cardamom powder at home. In a mixie jar, take 2 tablespoons sugar, add in 20 grams of cardamom pods, grind it to a fine powder and store them in an airtight container. We'll take half the quantity of peanuts, grind them to a fine powder and we'll keep it in an airtight container. Mornings while preparing breakfast like poha, add in 2 to 4 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder. Here for the breakfast, I'll be serving poha with milkshake and will sprinkle a little cardamom powder on the top. When you prepare a tea, you can just add in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder to give a flavor to it. And now I'll be sharing my favorite task, meal planning and meal prepping. Here I've cut and kept 2 vegetables in the containers which I'll be using within a couple of days. The other vegetables I've washed, dried and I'll be keeping them in containers and keep in the designated areas in the fridge. We'll be placing the containers one above the other. In the drawer section, we'll be keeping the fruits. Using storage bins, basket, organizers, labeling them saves a lot of time. Here in this container, I have kept peanut butter, jam, sandwich spread. In the mornings when I am busy and I want to make sandwich, I just take up this basket. Similarly, in the next basket, I have kept pickles. And it's also easy for the family member to access. Whenever you're restocking your fridge with fruits and vegetables, and if there are any spills, just give a wipe with a wet microfiber cloth. Make a list of the vegetables, fruits you have in your fridge. Accordingly, we'll plan the lunch and dinner for the next whole week. Meal planning makes us stress free, helps saving time and money. And here are some of the brunch and lunches I had prepared for the week. And that's all for today. If you have liked this video, please do put a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.